What is eco-printing in the dirty pot? Eco-printing is a technique where leaves, bark, and onion skins are wrapped with fabric, tied into tight bundles, and processed in a pot for several hours to create beautiful contact prints and interesting background colour. I like to work in an environmentally mindful and health conscious way. So rather than using the traditional powdered mordants or chemicals that have been used to fix color on fabric, I like to work with the metal composition of my processing pot to mimic the chemicals and achieve color fast and light fast prints that stand the test of time. The phrase for this is eco printing in the dirty pot, but you may also hear this called using the pot as mordant.